Whooping cough is making a massive comeback in the US, and the numbers are shocking. With over 32,000 cases reported this year, this contagious illness has hit its highest levels in nearly a decade. So, what's causing this surge, and how can you protect yourself and your loved ones? Let's dive in. Whooping cough, also known as pertussis, starts off like a common cold. Think runny nose, sneezing, and mild cough. But within weeks, it transforms into severe, full-body coughing fits. For infants under 1 year old, this can be life-threatening. And here's the kicker. Even vaccinated individuals can lose immunity over time. During the pandemic, whooping cough cases dropped drastically due to social distancing and mask wearing. But now, as life returns to normal, cases are climbing fast, especially in the Midwest, where nearly 25% of cases are being reported. Shockingly, only 92% of kindergartners got their DTaP vaccines last year, falling short of the federal target. That leaves thousands of kids vulnerable. Vaccination is still our strongest shield, and boosters like the TDAP for teens and adults are key to maintaining protection. If caught early, antibiotics can help, but once that relentless cough sets in, the best you can do is rest and hydrate. So, stay informed, stay protected, and let's beat whooping cough together. Thanks for watching Pulse News. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments. Have you or someone you know ever dealt with whooping cough? Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.